Here we go. Everybody say hi.
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 We are on our way again to Brialee. That seems to be our favorite place at the moment.
Yeah.
For a weekend of fun. So we can't wait to have you come with us.
Glampfires and Littles. Glampfires and Littles. Come along, let's go. Glampfires and Littles. Where the good vibes grow. Glampfires and Littles.
Oh wait, why don't we just go like this? Oh wow, I didn't know it doesn't have a tray. Keep going.
No. Not We'll go get your food over there. Okay. Yeah, ready?
How's that for an attitude? Huh? Calling you a fibber. Huh? Go.
Actually, I rested my food on so then I
I understand.
Yeah.
Oh, can you put that where you fly on
That's
first?
like 42.
And then fill it up.
Okay.
want to pet the bunny?
That's a lion head rabbit. You want to touch it? Look, Megan. All right, Debbie, let her have try too. Spencer, everybody else have their turn. Are you gonna touch it? Spencer, move so everybody else can have their turn. Leave the lettuce.
Not that hot.
Good job.
Right here. Touch it. Look.
Did you look over there, Spence? What's your nose one?
Oh, did Bella see Bella?
You're not afraid of no animals, I guess.
Oh, I'm coming. Ooh, look at this one.
That's Clementine.
Clementine.
And there's emoji from our school.
Is that really emoji?
Yeah, that's emoji. It has a smiley face. These are from the school. Yeah, you don't know them?
I don't know if they look exactly the same from your school, but I don't know if that's your name. I can ask. Look. Oh, it is emoji. You are right.
Wow.
You remember what his name is?
Oh, that's a poisonous one. I don't know. But I know these ones, emoji and Clementine. They're nice.
And how do you know that he's poisonous?
That's because the teacher said this one is poisonous from like the bright colors and stuff. She wouldn't let us see them in text. But look, there's a cockroach over there.
Come in, honey. Is that a cockroach? I don't know what that is. That has to be.
Bugs, like crickets. Yeah, most of bugs. You want to see any other animals? Yeah. All right. This is what we do. You guys tell me what you want to see. Millipede. Millipede. Okay.
Did you see Nana's face? I did this. I said, come in. She's like, oh, the centipede.
Yeah, centipedes and millipedes are in the same group, but very different. Centipedes eat meat, millipedes eat plants. So he just eats plants and he can't bite. Centipedes have venom and bite. Vinegaroons are a really weird kind of arachnid.
What does he do?
He doesn't bite, he grabs food with his little pinchers and eats it. He is
Look what I found.
related to
Yeah, he's
scorpions.
gonna like hop out of his hands a little.
It's a cute guy. The extra horrible. I've seen that
It's a vinegaroon. They actually, they have a defense mechanism where they can spray vinegar, basically it's acetic acid, out of that tail if an animal's trying to eat them. And the reason they're called a vinegaroon is the active ingredient in vinegar is acetic acid, so it smells like vinegar when they do it. The frogs might. The frogs I'm not going to hold because they're too unpredictable. That's a shed skin of a tarantula. Tarantulas have to shed their skin to grow. How about a crab?
Go down the slide.
is it? Oh my. So if orange isn't, then who do you think?
Okay. Really?
Hey everybody, so this is now day 3 of our camping experience here, and while we love it, my kids are a little bit on the messy side. I'll show you real quick. This is what happens when we go camping. We try to show all the beautiful glamping style and everything, but I also got to show you some of the stuff that we go through all the time with doesn't look so nice sometimes, but it will look nice later on today. I'm gonna clean it all up for the kids. The kids are up by the campfire right now. We're gonna show you some of that and show you some of the other stuff that we're gonna do throughout the day. Bye guys.
You move too fast and around her face.
Then I'm going to
I tried to take a nap while you guys were swimming. Anything happen? Just staking. That ain't working.
What's that?
What was that?
Oh, tickets? Yes. Where did you get it? The staff are out there. So you go over there and oh, you can get tickets.
Because you're after me. So go get yours.
It's from the barrel to
Which one is yours, Ken?
I didn't start yet.
Whose is this, Macy's?
Yes, this is
I'm going to go get something. I think we can do it.